Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy makeup tutorial. So first starting off with my brows, I'm going to use the Morphe brow pencil, which I like, and this is in color chocolate. I like this color. Or this may be Juvia. Either or, I like using both chocolate and this is my first time, if this is Juvia, using Juvia. I like this brow pencil. It's really nice, and I like to, arch it just a tad bit with the pencil and then brush it up with the spoolie. And then I will go into a concealer. Well, first, before I go into the concealer, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Gel in Deep. I think that's the color, Deep. Um, and then I dive into my concealer. And the concealer that I'm using is Rem Beauty, REM Beauty. And I like to put that on the brow bone. Then I like to take it above. And I'm using my Real Technique brush or whatnot. And this is, I'm using this as a brow brush because I like this brush. I like square, round brushes for my brows. It helps me get nice and sharp. Then I'm going into my Tweezerman brush and I'm blending in that concealer. Really nice, I want my brows to be neat, but not too neat. Not too neat. I still want it to look like natural, so I just put a little bit more brow gel on there just to kind of make it look a tad bit messy, a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, applying the concealer, and I'm just shaping that brow out the way I want it to. You have to be careful when you're using lighter concealers above the brow because sometimes it's harder to blend. That's why I like to make sure I put a little bit of concealer in the forehead area when I have my foundation on, just to evenly blend that concealer in well, because it's not really nice. It don't really look that smooth if the brows are like glowing. You know what I'm saying? Like it looks like the brow cut out. I don't like that look. But sometimes, if I'm in a hurry, you never know, or you know, you can kind of miss things when you're in a hurry. So I'm on my way to work, and this is the look that I'm going for work. However, as you see, I take the Tweezerman brush and I just blend that out like so, bring it into the center, moving that product nicely. I like to go in a tapping motion and then kind of, you know, move it a little bit, but you don't want to move the product too much, okay? Too much. You don't want to move the product too much. So now I'm going to dive into my Gold Glow Primer Serum with 24 karat gold. I'm going to dive into it or whatever, and I'm going to, maneuver this on my skin. This is what I'm using for my primer. And the foundation that I'm going into is by Becca. I'm going into my Becca foundation. And it looks orange when I put it on, which it is orange when I put it on, but I would even it out real well to my skin tone using concealer or whatnot. So if you have a shade that is too dark or too light, you can always fix it with the color, whatever color concealer you use. You can fix that color or whatnot. So I'm putting that Ram Beauty concealer underneath the eye, and around the nose area and on my chin. I don't know if I put it on my chin, which I think I did because I always put it on my chin, you know. Yeah. And then I'm going to put the foundation on before I blend this out because I like the look when you blend it out with the foundation already on. I like the look that it gives. So that's what we're doing. And I'm using a Sigma brush, which Sigma brushes are really good for is, moving product and blending in, giving you that airbrush look. So, and you can find Sigma brushes in quite a few places. I can't think of any names right now. So I'm blending that in like so. And then I'm going into that concealer, as you see, and I'm evening out that I'm evening out the foundation using that color, using that concealer. And then I put more concealer on just to give me that glow that I like to have in the center of my face, giving myself that glow that I love to have, that I can't live without. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then sometimes I do more to work when I have a foundation already on. I can do a lot more, with the foundation. And you see, everything is like evening out. So I like to take my sponge and I like to go in and blend in, and then I like to dive into my setting powder, which is Becca, not Becca, which is Fenty Beauty. I like to use this setting powder. Um, and let me tell you, it's probably better setting powders out there. I don't know, but I've been using this for some time, and I really don't change up my setting powders much. If I like it, I kind of just stick to it because all setting powders don't work the same. So I'm kind of spoiled with this one, and I know how to work it. And I think it's a nice product to have. Um, if you looking for a good setting powder, I think it's a nice product to have. So, yeah. So I'm putting a little blush on, a little blush, putting a little color to my skin, like so, like so. Um, just bringing everything together because I don't never use one product for as my face because, you know, um, it's skincare basically. You use what works for you and what you like. I have quite a bit of stuff that I like for as my skin. And if you have sensitive skin, you definitely want to, incorporate what I'm using because what I'm using will probably work for you because if you're anything like me, sensitive, then the products that I'm using on my skin, that's what you want to do. So I'm using my Urban Decay palette, and I've had this palette for a very long time, and it's a really nice palette. Especially it's got your neutrals, it got your warms, you know, however you want to do it. If you're just a simple person, this is a great palette for you. Now, I'm unaware if they still sell these palettes, but I have a lot of palettes that, I don't buy palettes a lot anymore. I don't buy everything that comes out anymore because I have come to realization that I have to get rid of what I have in order to buy more products because you're just wasting money because you don't get a chance to use them all. So I'm very considerate of my money, when it comes down to buying these new palettes and stuff now. So I'm going into my wing and I'm using the Epic Liner. You guys know it's my favorite by NYX, NYX. And sometimes guys, I'm just not gonna say what it is because I've told you guys 100 times what I'm using and I'm using it again and again and again. Like so many videos of products that I really like that I share with you guys a lot, you know. And I like drugstore brands, I like prestige brands, I like a lot of different things. Um, just in general, just being careful what I use on my skin. I try to pay attention to what my skin likes and I give it what it likes. Not what I like all the time, but what my skin really likes. So, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, be sure that you subscribe to the channel. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like seeing videos like this. Now, just a disclaimer, being honest with you guys, if you're not liking, you're not subscribing, these videos are going to slow down completely, okay? I'm going to slow down because, I've been doing YouTube videos for a long time. And honestly, guys, I mean, I think I put enough out there. I think I put enough out there, and I'm just really getting burnt out, okay? Because this is a whole job in itself, okay? And if you like videos like this, just, you should tell a friend, tell your auntie, tell people, you met this girl that can, really do some makeup and talk about hair and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna like completely slow down on videos, like maybe one video a month, because I really put out a lot of content because I love sharing what I do, because I get a lot of asked questions about what I do. But if you guys are not commenting, you guys are not subscribing, I'm just gonna slow it down, okay? Because there's no need of me just putting content out there and you see it later or whatever, But no hard feelings. I just want to let you guys know that that's coming, okay? It's to that point where, I got a lot I'm doing in my life, and I'm basically getting tired of putting out content, all the time, and I'm trying to be very consistent because I'm always consistent when I do this, and like I said, you know, it is what it is. But anyway, ain't no love lost, girl. I got like over 200 videos y'all can go back and check out. Like, seriously, I need a break. I got a lot of videos you guys can look and find ideas for makeup looks, hair, skincare, makeup, however you like it, girl. I got videos for you. But yeah, I'm really just like getting burnt out of, putting content out. I'm tired. And you can tell I'm tired. I ain't even blend in real good this setting powder, girl. Like, I'm like, oh my God, I'm just tired. And this takes a lot of work, putting out videos on your way to work and doing your makeup tutorial, showing people, and then you guys don't really watch, or you guys really don't give me a thumbs up. Now, there's some negative people out there that likes to put negative stuff underneath my videos, but I just want to let you know I am an authentic person. I don't give a shit, okay? You can talk about my edges. You can talk about my old body. I don't give a fuck. I already know my situation. I don't care. But if you want to hide behind, this social media, whatever, you sticky fingers, I don't know how the fuck you call it, but look, keep your business to yourself, because I guarantee you won't put your picture on your profile, baby, because I will give it to you, okay? Because, baby, you ain't talking about me. You really talking about your man, okay? But anyway, for more videos like this to come, baby, don't come for me, because, baby, I come rolling. Do you hear me? I ain't never scared, okay? Keep your negative comments to yourself. Save your negative comments for your damn mammy, okay? That's just me being real. You can talk about my old bike, bitch. I don't give a damn. I am who I am. At least I ain't fake. But anyway, you guys be blessed. I love you. My father love you more. See you in my next video, whenever that be, girl. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye. So, guys, I also want to incorporate this beautiful look for work that you guys probably, I don't know what a video is, and it's probably gonna get deleted if I got it in my camera. But I'm trying to get a lot of stuff out. So this is another look that I've done. And I got some pictures for you guys. So yeah, I'm always doing looks, and I'm always putting out content. So much content that I get so confused with the videos. I get so lost, because I will wait and then put it out later, whatnot. So, girl, you see, if you understand my frustration with these videos, girl, I just put out a lot. It's a lot that I do. It's a lot that I put out. Look at them edges, baby, growing. Look at them edges, baby, growing. Like I said. Anyways, but baby, this is a red lip for you, girl. Ooh, wee. Then I got some natural pictures with you, girl. Hey, for you ones that want to talk, hey, this is me without makeup. Anyway, purdy, huh? Purdy, huh? All right. I see y'all in my next video. Girl, be blessed. Until we see each other again, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe.